beautiful morning here at our friend Chelsea's house in Paradise Valley. We did an in-ground garden bed for them, her and her husband Jason. It was actually her birthday present. And what we did was actually converted an old dog area, and we haven't seen it for a little bit, so I'm excited to show you. Oh my gosh, good job. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. That's crazy. So this is like doing much better than I expected. I mean, we do quite a bit of stuff. Wow, look at these watermelons. This is amazing. Heck yeah. Look at this okra. My goodness, we got okra right there. We got the hibiscus, and those are really cool. They're actually, the leaves are edible, as well as the flower pod. All kinds of okra going down. This is really amazing. She said they've been having a lot of Armenian cucumbers. These are all our sweet potatoes. What's that? Yeah, the Egyptian spinach looks amazing. Good morning. You are all good. We are on a rainy day schedule too. This looks great, guys. This is so good. Got some little squash over here. We did have a little bit of, oh, we got amaranth right here. Look at these squash. Pretty amazing, guys. And then we put all these flowers in front to attract insects and also look good, you know. That's part of this whole deal, is to look good. There we go, she looks good. But it's really, really popping here. Oh, and look at this little hibiscus flower. These are so pretty. Awesome.
We're planting some kale, Clo. Do you see how big our watermelon's getting over there?
Do you like being in the garden? That's awesome.